we're actually in the kitchen and we're going to watch Chef go at work. He's doing a lot of prepping. I can't wait to see what he's going to cook and what he's going to make. But basically he's got a lot of veggies. You know, when it comes to veggies, that is me. I love veggies. I love healthy cooking, healthy eating, lots of fruits and veggies. So he's whipping up something and we're going to explore exactly what he's making. I don't really the kitchen. Lagos, also known as Eko, is the largest city in Nigeria. When it comes to Lagos, relaxation is so important. Dining Out Lagos is your one-stop directory for finding the best restaurants in the city of Lagos. Now you can taste the mint coming through. Great food, great ambiance, great service, and great staff. As they say, let's go there.
Yeah. You know, even try to, nobody can match you. Don't you for life, sexy minded.
Okay, so this is the pool area of Victoria Crown Plaza Hotel, and this is the bar. We're just waiting for the mixologist to come and mix us a couple of afternoon cocktails. So it's the perfect place for you to come for an afternoon drink, just to get away from the hustle and bustle of Lagos noise and Lagos traffic. It is so serene, it is so quiet. I love the fact that it's got a lot of that outdoor garden riparian feel, where you feel like you're in an outdoor setting in an outdoor garden. So we're here at the bar, and I'll show you a sneak peek of the cocktails in a minute.
Yeah, I'm trying to prepare something very, very delicious and nice, like my special.
Got me now. Ella no la quiere. Ella no la quiere. Body moving, quiere. She can do it, quiere. Ooh, so wild tonight. Waist beats are in motion round our body. When you do it slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. I go see you through together, baby. You scatter the streets, your vibe is so.
Frank just made this bar special, and we're going to be tasting it, and I'll let you know what I think in a minute. Okay, so this drink, so I can taste the lemon coming through. It's got crushed ice, which is such a delight in this very hot weather, and you've got a little bit of that alcohol, which is not too much, so it's like a bit toned down where you could definitely feel it, and it is such a refreshing afternoon drink. You absolutely need to try this out. It is the bar special.
For life, sexy mind and body, you already got me now. Ella no la quiere. Ella no la quiere. Body moving, quiere. She can do it, quiere. Ooh, yeah.
To VCP, we are known as different people when it comes to cooking. We don't cook what people cook. Our way of cooking is quite different from different hotels. We also respect that VCP is in Africa. But I try to package the African meal in a different form. When it comes to their food, there is always a consistency in the African meal. So this is where I get my own way of cooking. I travel far to make sure I get the real taste of African dish. And when it comes to VCP, there is nothing you want you don't get. One of our biggest signature dishes is called now perch, on the bed of vegetable. You see, now perch is known as a very big fish, but it's not common in a restaurant. And I tell people, whether my eyes absent or my present, there's always the consistency we have in the restaurant. When it comes to food, when it comes to service, there's always a template we follow. VCP will be top of the town when it comes to fine dining because we don't cook what people cook. I have 21 spread of shaving dish when it comes to Sunday brunch. So it's always if you don't want A, you can go for B. So it's not a boring one. And we'll play with different seasons. Those of you that have not seen Kassler, you have not seen frog leg, you have not seen narpech, why not come and see it? This is a brand of healthy food. If you see, we play with salmon and different things. This is what you hardly get in other buffet, except once people can give you a la carte. But in VCP, we'll get this among our spread. It's going to be a fun thing when you come around.
Before even knowing where we're really at, guess I never should have let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast.
So Chef Chris is going to be whipping something very special and we're privileged to be here with him in the kitchen. So Chef, what are you making today?
Yeah, we need to play with 10 minutes dish.
Okay.
I don't stay more time in the burner, just 10 minutes. We're going to look salmon on the bed of vegetable. Start with half rice and nice sauce by the side. But the next time we're going to go for T-bone. But for now, let's do salmon. And this is what I'm going to use to prepare this salmon dish. For this salmon dish, it's just a 10-minute dish. We're going to make a nice bed with leek and marrow. That's what I'm going to use for my veg, or seasoning with sesame seed on it. But for making it light, I'm going to use parsley with a bit of small pepper and garlic. That is just for the seasoning. Salmon is known as a well nice dish and a fish that is not from a local water. So seasoning it is just a small season for salmon. Most people can even choose salmon raw, but I need to just make it this. Just light seasoning, then we go. Let's go to the burner.
Okay.
As I said before, salmon is a good fish. It's not from the local school. So you don't need much ceremony when it comes to salmon. This salmon is seasoned with a pinch of garlic, white pepper, and that's all. I don't season much because there's always pepper and salt on the table. When it comes to salmon, you don't need much seasoning. This is for the grill, and this is the veg I use for salmon. A lot of chefs like using different veg, but as I said before, we play outside the box. I like using different things. This is leek, and this is marrow, and this is runner beans. These are the three veg I'm going to use. Then I'm going to season with sesame seed, and for there we are good to go. Line, you can put it in a rationale to get what you want. So let's put it in a rationale. Then we'll get it.
So the rationale will cook the inside.
Just a bit, and they make it fluffy. That's why I said everybody can cook, but everyone cannot plate food. The beauty of the food is when you plate it.
Exactly. That's an art, isn't it?
Yes, I call it 80% of the eyes and 20% for taste. Now this is very easy. You can do it at home, but make sure your knife is sharp. This is a complete meal. Okay. But to just balance it, we need to add this cucumber. Now it's very easy. I'm going to turn it for you to see. A grilled salmon on the bed of vegetables, garnished with spider and cucumber. Then you need to come with a side. Sometimes most girls decide rice, they decide mashed potatoes, they decide anything. But let's use this rice for it. Celery on it. Then we can garnish with this cucumber. This is just a complete meal. Enjoy your meal. Bon appetit.
Merci beaucoup.
Kissing and massage. It's days like these that make me wanna go and try things.
Okay, so we're at the restaurant of Victoria Crown Plaza, and it's called Alo Alo Restaurant. It is so amazing. I've just been back in the back of the house with the chef, and he cooked such a storm, which we're gonna try in a minute. So I'll let you know how it tastes. It's been such an amazing day here. You really need to check it out when you come to Lagos. It is definitely your oasis of calm because it is tucked in a very cozy part of Victoria Island, and it's definitely a must visit. So let me dig in and tell you exactly how this gorgeous meal tastes. The fact that it's got zucchinis in there, it's got cucumber, we have some celery and some onion rings, and I'm just going to taste that. That is so good. Oh my gosh, you guys need to come here. You need to try it. It's so nice. I love the crunch of the vegetable, and the salmon was just cooked to perfection. This is so good. I love the fact that we've infused our healthy vegetables. So it's been such a fabulous day in VCP. We're just winding down, just enjoying a glass, and we had such a blast. Victoria Crown Plaza Hotel is a hotel you totally need to check out. It is at 292B at Jose Adorable Street, and it's a one-stop facility. So you come here, you enjoy food, enjoy the experience, you can swim, lodging and accommodation. Everything is a one-stop shop, as I like to call it. So until we come your way again, it's signing out. Say hello.
Hi.
Tell me what did you run from? Tell me why did you run from?